Hello, my name is Elia, a basic needs student assistant at Health Promotion and Wellness. Welcome to a Health Tip Tuesday video. I will be telling you some laundry hacks. First up is a salad spinner, which can be used to wash those hand-washed clothes. I hand-wash my undergarments every few days, and my hands get really tired wringing out the excess water, so this comes in handy. So what you do is put a few clothes in a salad spinner with a bit of soap. You can use laundry detergent, baby shampoo, whatever your preference is. And then let the salad spinner wash it for you. Make sure you don't put too much soap or else it gets really bubbly and messy. If you'd like to get laundry detergent for free, you can pick up a laundry kit on campus. It also includes dryer sheets and a bag to keep all your clothes. At the same place, they also give out care kits with hygiene products such as shampoo, lotion, shaving supplies, floss, and deodorant. I think a lot of people mistake the benefits of using a salad spinner. It washes and wrings out water, and that way you can hang dry your clothes without it dripping everywhere. It does not completely dry your clothes. It comes in handy for those clothes I need to wash during the week, but I don't have enough laundry to do a full load. Next are dryer balls. These are cost-effective, environmental friendly, and safe alternatives to dryer sheets. Dryer sheets can leave residue on your clothes and may contain harmful chemicals, which go into the air, and it stays on your clothes, which also rubs onto your skin. Also, if you have allergies, the heavy scent and the chemicals can trigger the allergies, and that can get really annoying. Dryer sheets are one-time use only, which means you have to buy them frequently. Dryer balls, on the other hand, are cheap and eco-friendly because they're natural, reusable, and last a lot longer. Like dryer sheets, these reduce static and soften your clothes. Dryer balls are kind of more effective though because they bounce around in your dryer. These also separate fabric to prevent clothes from clumping, which allows the heat more circulation. And that also helps you reduce your dryer time, which is so important because our dryers take up a lot of electricity and energy, which costs a lot of money, so reducing your dryer time will help you save money. There are two types of dryer balls. The most common kind is wool, but you can also get them in rubber or plastic. I personally like wool dryer balls because they're natural and environmentally friendly, and it doesn't make a lot of noise in the dryer. And I can drop a few essential oils into the dryer ball, and that way my laundry comes out smelling like lavender. And the oil lasts for about like 10 or so loads. Wool dryer balls do last a few years, but plastic and rubber are more durable and so they last longer. The plastic and rubber balls usually come with these little spikes around them, which increases its ability to get in between the layers and help your clothes dry even more faster. Dryer balls are usually sold in a pack of 3 or 6. 3 is a good amount to use, but you can add more if your load is bigger. If you'd like to refresh your wool dryer balls to keep the fibers in good condition, you can place them individually into a sock, tie the opening, wash them in a hot water cycle, and dry them in the dryer. It is recommended to do this every 8 to 12 months. Adding a clean, dry towel to your dryer load can also help shorten the dryer time. This doesn't reap the same benefits as dryer balls, but when you're in a pinch and you need your clothes to dry, it's pretty useful. That is all I have for this video. To learn more about the free food and housing resources we have for students, check out our website, basicneeds.sfsu.edu. We have multiple resources for food, housing, and financial aid. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.